Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and welcome back to my channel. And in this video you'll see some high pencil heel and really beautiful design and different color combination that look really nice and look really amazing. And as you see, this one is really beautiful in red color that look really nice. And as you see, this one is really nice combination, really nice designs. And as you see, this look really cute, purple color and look really beautiful. This is also a full black like beads type of thing, and it look really beautiful. And as you see, this one is a really nice type of thing in full black color. This is in red color, and as you see, this one in a grayish type of thing and really beautiful type of color. And this is also really nice color. And as you see, this is a really beautiful color combination. This combo look really amazing. And the choice of footwear is a reflection of personal taste and individual preference. A different style and of shoes allow for a broad scope of self-expression and identity. And like other element of fashion, ladies footwear trends continuously in design innovation, designs and materials and technology advancement are regularly introduced, influencing the perspective of what's fashionable. And if you're a high lover and every kind of a footwear lover, so on this platform you'll find them in really beautiful design and different color combinations, so do check them and comment below which type of video you'll want to see the next. So that is today's video. I will see you in the next video. So Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care and thanks for watching this video.